This green juice restores gut health and helps you lose weight. Weight loss transformation juice ingredients. 1. Celery. Celery juice helps to restore your digestive process by filling your gut with healthy microbes. It can also help reduce stress and boost weight loss thanks to the fiber content. The fiber in celery works through your digestive tract to remove toxins and impurities while replacing them with healthy microbes. 2. Cucumbers. Contrary to popular belief, cucumbers are a member of the fruit family. Cucumbers have cooling effects and contain enzymes that help your body absorb protein more effectively. The enzymes break down and absorb protein, then turn it into energy and muscle to help burn more body fat. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is arguably one of the best natural anti-inflammatory foods you can get your hands on. The potent anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric helps get rid of inflammation in the body. The more weight you gain, the more toxins build up in your body. These toxins can affect your adrenal glands, your endocrine system and your hormone levels, which affect your body's ability to lose weight. By treating the inflammation with turmeric, you can remove the toxins and get your body back on track. 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are loaded with magnesium. A majority of Americans are deficient in magnesium. Magnesium deficiency can affect your health in several different ways, including sugar cravings. If you constantly crave cookies, ice cream and other forms of sugar, you may be lacking magnesium. Providing your body with the magnesium it needs can help reduce sugar cravings, so you can meet your weight loss goals. And for good measure, ginger. Ginger helps press toxins out of the digestive tract to clear the way for healthy digestion, thanks to its powerful anti-inflammatory and medicinal properties. Parsley. Many people struggle with weight loss because they are emotional eaters. Adding parsley to your weight loss drink can help calm your nerves and reduce emotional cravings. Apples. Apples are one of the most detoxifying fruits on the planet. They contain many vitamins and nutrients your body needs to stay healthy. Adding an apple to your juice will also sweeten it up for a better taste. Avocados. Avocados are a superfood full of healthy fats, vitamins and minerals to help the body detox. They're great for the reproductive system. To make your weight loss transformation juice. Ingredients: celery, a few stalks, cucumbers, 2 whole cucumbers, turmeric, 1 small piece, ginger, 1 small piece, leafy greens, a handful, parsley, a handful, apple, 1 apple, avocado, a half of an avocado. Directions: throw all of the ingredients in a blender and mix well to make your weight loss transformation juice.